My name is James Bradley, or JP for short, and this is my capstone project for CS50 web development with Python and JavaScript. I made a weather application that you can set your location as a user and get various kinds of maps as well as precipitation data for your area. I live in Seattle, so knowing what the rain's going to do in the rainforesty area of Washington is really important. I thought it would be fun to make a web application that helps me look at those things. I use Django to organize my project, and I have Django keeping track of users. You can sign up as a different user. We can use my initials here at foo.com, quick password, and go ahead and sign up for the service. When a user signs up, they're brought to a sign or a set your location page. It starts in Seattle because that's my home base, but the user could go to another major metropolitan like New York, and save their location and be able to log in and log out and keep their location cached through Django. I'll log into my main account and show you a couple more features. Alrighty, we're back in Seattle. It's easier to see today because the weather's kind of just really weak, but you can add clouds to the overall picture. You can put the temperatures for everywhere down, and it'll show you a heat map. It'll show you denser areas of clouds on the radar for precipitation. It's a lot more dramatic when you zoom out. You can also turn the opacity up and down depending on what layers you want to see. We can zoom back in and take a look at what the precipitation is doing in Seattle. Right now we look pretty clear, but if we zoom out, we see a big pocket of blue over here where the rain is. Over on this side, we have a tile giving us the temperature, and down here is the precipitation timeline for the next few hours. In Seattle, it's nice to know a few hours out because it can change at a moment's notice. For the map, I have JavaScript running everything to update it asynchronously with the rest of the website. And it helps update the different layers on the map. It's even got satellite. And it lets you see what's going on around town and the rest of the world. Other accounts that are here just for different locations. Chicago with Jane Harvard, and John Harvard lives in Tallahassee, Florida. They have dramatic weather sometimes. And so they've got some rain bands, but most of it's out in the Gulf of Mexico or the Gulf of America. And that's my final project. Thanks for checking it out. And